Same greet function as before. But look, it now takes a name in the parentheses, and we call it 3 times with 3 different names. Predict what prints. Hello, Sam. Hello, Priya. Hello, Alex. One function, 3 different results. The function didn't change. What we handed it did. That input slot in the parentheses is called a parameter, and it's what makes functions genuinely useful. Give a function input, so one function works for any value. A parameter is a placeholder the function fills in when you call it. Read it carefully. The word name inside the parentheses is a parameter, a placeholder. Inside the body, name stands in for whatever we pass. When we call greet with Sam, name becomes Sam for that run. Name here is the parameter, a slot waiting to be filled. Inside the body, name is a stand-in for whatever gets passed. And Sam here is the argument, the actual value we hand in for this call, our greet function, but now with a slot on the front. That slot is the parameter name, an empty placeholder, and inside, the body uses name as if it already had a value. It'll get filled the instant we call. Quick vocabulary because they sound alike. The parameter is the placeholder in the definition. Name. The argument is the real value you pass at the call. Sam. Parameter waits. Argument fills it. We call greet and hand it the argument Sam. Python drops Sam into the name slot, so name is now Sam. Runs the body with that value, and out comes hello Sam. Change the argument, change the result. Same function. Functions can take several parameters. Just separate them with commas. Need more than one input? List several parameters separated by commas. This one takes A and B and prints their sum. 2 parameters, now A and B, separated by a comma. The body can use both of them freely. And we pass 2 arguments to match. 3 fills A, 4 fills B. 3 plus 4 is 7. 10 plus 25 is 35. Same function, different numbers. The parameters are just labeled slots. The arguments drop into left to right. Real quick, if this is clicking for you, tap that like button. It genuinely helps other beginners find the series. And hit subscribe so the next episode lands right in your feed. And that left to right pairing is strict. The first argument fills the first parameter. Watch this. Describe expects a name then an age. If we swap the arguments, Python doesn't complain. It just fills the slots in order, and the meaning comes out backwards. Name first, age second. That's the order. Pass them in that order, and it reads correctly. Swap them, and name becomes 20. Age becomes Sam. Nonsense, but no error. See the second line? 20 is Sam years old. Gibberish. Python matched arguments to parameters purely by position, left to right. So the order you pass things in truly matters. Before you go, the entire Python 0 to Pro playlist is linked in the description. Every episode in order, start to finish. Go bookmark it and binge the rest. So, parameters are the input slots you declare in the definition, and arguments are the actual values you hand over when you call. They pair up by position, left to right, so order matters. This is what makes one function work for endless inputs. But so far our functions only print. Next episode, we teach them to hand a value back. Write a function called rectangle that takes a width and a height and prints a message like A4 by 5 rectangle. Call it with 3 different pairs of numbers. Go build it. Next up, the other half of functions, return, sending a value back out so you can actually use a function's result.